How to use Squarespace Blueprint AI. So technically, this Blueprint AI is a tool that can help you create websites faster. To do that, head over to squarespace.com and click on this Get Started option right here that you can see. It will actually provide you a trial with no credit card required. From in there, you can see in here your actual Squarespace. You can click onto this Build with Blueprint AI right here. Once you have done that, this will set things up for you, so just wait for this to successfully load. In here, you can see your actual Blueprint AI. Just choose in here your site title that you wish to use. So for example, let's put in here Cepho 1. And in here, just choose in here brand personality. It can be professional, playful, and other options right here. Let me choose sophisticated and click on next. After that, this will load the AI generated content that our website will have. So you can build your homepage by adding an intro section and all of this section that you can see right here. So for this case, let me choose in here the product section and the footer section. Click on next. And once you're done, you can see in here that you can choose in here the pages that you can add to your site. You can add about pages, contact pages, appointments, as well as other options. Click on next right here once you're done, and after that, you can choose in here the color palette that you wish to use using Blueprint AI. So we have in here some recommendation. I'll choose in here this one and click on next. After it's done, you should be able to see in here the next option, which is the fonts. Just choose in here the font that you wish to use. After that, click on finish and you should be able to create the website using Blueprint AI. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.